Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Vandelay infrared thermometer. This is a contactless thermometer. All you have to do is point and click at a surface to get the temperature. This particular thermometer also comes with a 3-year warranty and can store up to 32 readings. Now let's see what's inside the box. The moment you open the box, you will see a warranty card. This is followed by customer support information. And here you have the thermometer itself. This is the Vandelay infrared thermometer. This thermometer has the standard handgun design. It also has some buttons at the side as well. There is a large LCD screen at the back and the infrared sensor is at the front. There is also a hatch under the handle. This is where the batteries go. We already have a couple of them. Let's remove this strip and see if this works. Yes, you can see that the backlit LCD screen is now on. Let's try it out on my hand. Well, this seems to be working fine. And that's it. That's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.